Hi friends, we're going to do an overview of the seedlings. It's been about 3.5 weeks. We've got some burdock that's starting in the back there. This here is the seeds from the wild mountain Greek oregano doing well. And we've got some celery there. The goldenrod slowly coming up, but it is growing, that's for sure. We've got some carrots, parsley, the skullcap. We have one lone soldier in that pot there, along with the blue lobelia. We just got one little baby right there. The wild bergamot's doing well, along with the baby corn. First time I've ever done baby corn. This is the toothache plant, which are the lower leaves, that taller leaf there. Apparently I got another seed in there with it. This is the comfrey, it's doing well, along with the teasel root. Teasel root is looking very full, very healthy. The holy basil is slowly coming up along with the mullein. And here are beets. We're going to have a ton of beets back in the back there. We have some onions and some carrots. We have white onions and red onions back there. And let's see, we've got some chili peppers here, the two front containers, but the second row there are hops, and they did not do well. That is watermelon right there. These are my sugar snap peas. They're going crazy. All these are going to be repotted this weekend because it's a little too early to put them outside. They're choking out my daikon. We've got some more chili peppers here in the back and some cayenne peppers in the way back. This is striped peppers, and I can't remember what this was, but it's not doing anything. Back in the corner here we have pak choy and bok choy. This is spaghetti squash alongside some more beets. All in all, doing well. All needs larger pots, but I'm pleased.